Well, Timothy Norton, the second and final person charged in that brutal murder of Cassidy Rainwater, will be spending the rest of his life behind bars. That sentence following a guilty plea made today in a Dallas County courtroom. Fox 49's Parker Padgett live tonight outside that courthouse in Buffalo. And Parker, what did prosecutors tell you after that ending?
Yeah, County Prosecutor Jonathan Barker says he's more focused on the Rainwater family being able to move on, but says his office is happy with the result.
We were glad that the case resolved today.
After 2 years, Timothy Norton, the last person in the Cassidy Rainwater investigation, learned he will serve life without parole.
There's no other sentence eligible in this case besides life without parole. So we knew if he entered a plea, that would be the sentence.
Norton entered that plea in court Tuesday.
You agree that you did assist in her murder by strangulation?
Yes.
Rainwater was first reported missing in 2021.
Norton went on to describe how he held Ms. Rainwater down while Phelps attempted to place a bag over her head, and ultimately while Phelps strangled Ms. Rainwater to death. Norton admitted that he had seen Phelps begin dismembering Ms. Rainwater's body.
The investigation ramped up when the FBI got a tip that photos of Rainwater, both alive and after her body was mutilated, had been posted online.
Evidence was seized from the freezer in the kitchen area of the residence, which appeared to be human remains. The remains were in containers dated 7/24, which was consistent with the time frame of Cassidy Rainwater's disappearance.
She was 33 at the time she was kidnapped, kept in a cage, and killed in Dallas County. The cabin where the murder took place was destroyed shortly after charges were filed. By a fire, officials say was set intentionally.
This digital evidence included a number of photographs, some of which depicted Ms. Rainwater's murder and dismemberment. A few of these photographs were the same pictures that were provided as part of the tip from the FBI.
Barker says this sentence allows the Rainwater family to move on in peace.
We're glad to be able to give them a chance, and they've made it clear that they'd like to be left in privacy to grieve and to heal and to have a chance to move forward with their lives.
James Phelps, the other man charged in Rainwater's death, entered an offered plea earlier this year and will also spend the rest of his life behind bars. Reporting live in Buffalo, Parker Padgett, Ozarks First.
All right, thank you for the update, Parker.